What's the meaning of brochette? Brochette. Brochette.
Brochette. Brochette. Brochette is a French word that refers to a dish of small pieces of meat, poultry, seafood or vegetables that are skewered and grilled. It is often served as an appetizer or as part of a larger meal. The brochette can be prepared with a variety of ingredients such as steak, chicken, shrimp, peppers, onions, and tomatoes. Once skewered, the ingredients are cooked until tender and lightly charred, resulting in a flavorful and visually appealing dish. Brochettes are commonly found on the menu at restaurants that serve French and Mediterranean cuisine and are a popular choice for those who enjoy grilled foods.